Hi, today I'm with me Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. Now just to create a new home screen folder, we should hold for a while the application and then just drag this up to another one. And by this way we just created the new home screen folder. If you wanna add here more applications, just by the same way hold the app and drag it to the folder. To give a name to this folder, just click here to edit name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, click to OK to home button and we can see that we just successfully give a name to this folder. If you want to move it here on the home screen or between the screens or just to create the new screens with the folder, you should just hold it and drag it just by the swipe. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the holder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. Also, if you want, you can also remove the folder with all of the applications just in one click. Just to do that, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.